Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Sonata Hybrid. This all-new hybrid has all the style and premiums you expect in a Sonata, along with 37 city, 39 highway miles per gallon. And unlike other hybrids on the market, it uses a breakthrough lithium polymer battery pack, which runs cooler, lighter, and is shapeable for optimum packaging. More power, less fuel, no guilt. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, mud guards, traction control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.